artist, a designer, or a photographer, this video will guide you through how to turn your work into a published coffee table book. A great coffee table book is built around a central theme. It could be wildlife photography, street photography, architecture, fashion, food, anything that can spark conversation. Start by curating your best visuals and grouping them under a common theme. The goal is to take people through a visual journey. Coffee table books are visual first, so design and layout matter a lot. Before you start working with a publisher, sketch out how you want your book to look. Think about the order of the images and how they'll be grouped. Choose high-resolution images to avoid pixelation. If you're using illustrations or paintings, get them professionally digitalized. Some pictures look great on camera, but when you print them, they don't look so good. So test for print color and clarity. Match your book's design to its theme. For some books, bright colors and bold fonts might look better, but for others, minimal or elegant fonts might work better. Coffee table books can be expensive to produce, but there are always ways to cut costs. Use standardized formats because while custom formats are beautiful, they might be more expensive. Consider going for black and white photos for a few sections or for your entire book. It's both elegant and budget friendly. Hiring a good designer is a place where you shouldn't cut corners. A good designer will help your book look polished and will suggest some cost-saving tips. Publishing a coffee table book is about sharing your artistic perspective with the world. Platforms like Notion Press help bring your project to life through global distribution, our own design tools, and full creative control. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!